Hi, today let's start to look at a few more charts. The first chart that we will discuss is that of ICICI Bank. This is the ICICI Bank futures daily, and in this chart you can see that the chart price from the last March low went up in 1, 2, 3, and then there was this decline over the past 2 months for wave 4. This is a classical three-wave decline, and it took support almost at this gap, and then the prices have turned around. So we feel that wave 4 is over at this time, and we are long on this chart with a stop loss just below this low here, which is about 579.5. So we are long with a very tight stop loss of 579, and the confirmation of the breakout will happen when this trend line is taken out to the upside. And once that is done, we should be looking at a retest of the previous highs of 680 odd levels. However, if this low goes away and chart turns around and goes down again, then it appears that wave 4 would probably be still in force. But this is a very nice chart. The additional evidence is this bullish RSI reverse divergence, where you can see that RSI made a lower low, whereas the price did not make a lower low. And then price also took support at bull market support at 40 levels on the RSI. So all in all, the evidence points out towards a renewed uptrend in ICICI Bank, and the price action in the next week to come would be really interesting to watch. The next chart we look at is the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has a similar chart almost to the ICICI Bank, which is understandable. We have on the weekly chart, we have a 1, 2, and 3, and wave 4 was coming to the downside. We feel that wave 4 is now over. Let's look at the daily chart. The daily chart again shows a classical three-wave decline for wave 4, and wave 4 again took support. RSI took support at bull market support at 40. And not only that, you can see there is another reverse divergence between this low and this low, and therefore we feel that Bank Nifty is likely to be on the on the cusp of a breakout to the upside. Another very interesting pattern which we can see on the intraday chart is the follows. Now this is a 30-minute chart of the Bank Nifty, and here you can see that there appears to be a very clear inverse head and shoulder formation at the bottom of the chart. So this is on the verge of a breakout on the upside, and therefore it appears that this whole mess, this whole corrective mess is complete, and Bank Nifty should take off to the upside in 5 waves. Where is our stop loss? Our stop loss on Bank Nifty trade is this low here, which is pretty tight, which is at 33,290 or so. So we are keeping our Bank Nifty uh, long with a stop loss of almost 900 points and a target of about maybe 5,000 points on the upside. Pretty good risk reward ratio. The third and last chart today we will have a look at is TVS Motors. The TVS Motors had an amazing uptrend all the way from last April and went to a high of 670 rupees. And then this had this three-wave fall A, B, and C. This wave fall was contained in a parallel channel, and the reversal of the fall came here, where it poked through the channel and closed back inside the channel with a gap up opening the next day and went up. And subsequent to that, all 4 days it has been going up. This looks a pretty impulsive price move to me, and the confirmation will happen on a breakout above this channel at 612. But this is a very bullish chart. Again, a positive reversal, a reverse divergence you can see on the RSI. So we do not have a position on TVS as of now, but tomorrow I certainly plan to buy into this, and we will have a target of somewhere around 690 rupees, 100 rupees or more from the current levels, with a stop loss anywhere at the bottom of the channel. So that is all for today. Thank you and bye bye.